Getting the best bang for your buck. Understanding value for money. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and useful phrase in English: best value for money. This expression is incredibly common, especially when talking about purchasing decisions. Understanding this phrase will not only help you make better choices but also improve your English comprehension. Let's get started. Best value for money refers to getting the most benefit or quality out of something for the least amount of money spent. It's not just about finding the cheapest option. It's about finding the best balance between cost and quality. When something is described as the best value for money, it means it offers more advantages and better features compared to other items or services in the same price range. Determining value for money involves comparing different factors, such as price, quality, durability, and performance. It's about asking yourself if what you're getting is worth the price you're paying. A few tips include: research the product or service beforehand, compare it with similar options, read reviews or ask for recommendations to gauge others' experiences. Let's look at some real-life scenarios where best value for money comes into play. Electronics. A smartphone that may not be the latest model but has excellent performance and durability for its price. Clothing. A durable jacket that keeps you warm and lasts for years, rather than a cheaper one that wears out quickly. Food. A restaurant that offers delicious, high-quality meals at reasonable prices compared to other dining establishments. Understanding and seeking the best value for money is crucial because it helps you make informed decisions that can save you money in the long run. It encourages you to think critically about your purchases and look beyond just the price tag. We hope this video has shed some light on what best value for money means and why it's such an important concept in both English language and daily life. Remember, it's not always about finding the cheapest option, but about finding the best balance between cost and quality. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. See you in our next video.